What's up people, in this quick tutorial I'm going to show you how you can use the spot healing brush in Photoshop to remove some skin blemishes such as freckles, acne marks, pores or anything like that from your face or from anyone's face that you're working on in Photoshop. Now spot healing brush isn't the best tool to remove all the skin blemishes, but it is in my opinion one of the easiest tools to remove some skin blemishes. So to get started, I've taken this image from Unsplash.com, which is a good site from where you can get free images. No sponsorship, but you can find more info about the site in the description. So to begin, first of all, create a new layer by pressing Ctrl Shift N and name it anything. I'm gonna name it Spot Healing. Then press enter. Then zoom into your subject by selecting the zoom tool. Then select the spot healing brush from right here. You can also press the J key. After that, make sure the mode is normal, type is content aware, and make sure sample all layers is checked. Then make sure your cursor is just a little bit bigger than the blemish that you want to get rid of. You can increase or decrease the size of your brush by pressing the right or left bracket keys, or you can right click right here and set the size of your brush. Alright, then just click on the blemish that you want to get rid of, and that's it. That gets rid of your blemish. Now what this tool is doing right here, it's taking the information from around the area and filling it in the area that you click on. Now you can also click and drag, but usually just clicking works the best. Now that's pretty much all you have to do, but you have to do it a lot of times. As you can see, I have so many things that I can click on right here to get rid of them. But I don't recommend that you remove every mark from your face, because every mark on your face isn't necessarily a blemish. You can keep some, you can get rid of some. It's totally up to you or up to the person whose image you're editing. So I'm just gonna click here a few times and then I'll show you the final result. Now like I said, you can also click and drag, so that can be useful right here. As you can see, clicking and dragging doesn't always work well, but sometimes it can work well. You have to try. Adjust the size of your brush according to your needs and just click. Now to show you how much I've changed the image, I'll just turn off this spot healing brush layer for a second, and you can see the spot healing brush did a decent enough job according to me. And it may or may not work for you in every situation, but I recommend that you try out a few things. And you can click and drag, you can click, you can make your cursor a little bit bigger, a little bit smaller, and just spend more time. I've spent just a little bit of time here, and I think I've done a good enough job. And you can spend more time and get rid of even tinier details. But I don't recommend that you completely change the way a person looks, because some marks on the face may not be blemishes. So that's it for today. That's it for this tutorial, and thanks a lot for watching and have a great day.